We're on Bournemouth Pier, just going to do a video of a walk around on the beach, probably go in the sea for a little paddle, but yeah, it used to be £5 to get on the Bournemouth Pier, but it's now free of charge for at least 3 years. Yeah, it was nice and busy. It's coach trip down today. It was only booked it 2 days ago, but yeah, it was just a change from the norm, isn't it? I recommend Bournemouth. Obviously, with the cost of living crisis in the UK at the moment, families can't afford to go away abroad. So Bournemouth is the ideal place to come along. There's always plenty to do. You've got Poole and Bournemouth. This is just on the pier, as you can see. The pier is really busy as well. This is Wednesday, the 12th of August. This video will be out very, very soon. Possibly be even Thursday or Friday. As you see, the zip wire. There is a zip wire that runs from the top of the pier. And there's £21 for adults. You can go to the start of the pier and it's £21 to go down. You can either go down in 2s or 1s. Couldn't wish for a better day. The original plan was to go to Swanage, but as it's so nice here, I've already done one hop on, one hop off bus, which is also going to be on the channel. Do watch out for that one. If not, it's already been uploaded. I should be working on the bus first, then this video after. Speaking to Cohen, the ambassador for the Bournemouth Pier, the management. And he was interested in the camera I was using. Obviously looked at my channel, see what I was doing. I thought he'd come up to me initially to say if he was going to tell me off for filming, but they do welcome filming, luckily. They do not object to filming, unlike Blackpool piers, they do not like filming. Yeah, say it's a lovely area. They got a restaurant at the end of the pier, which we'll walk to. The zip wire is located at the end of this pier. Okay. Good to see the zip wire. I'd love to do it, but £21 for a short distance. May do it in Wales, but this is the longest zip wires in Wales, in the UK. So yeah, that's good. So later today will be the solar eclipse. It'd be good to film that, but I'll be leaving by 7. Hopefully I'll catch it. Say, it's been really busy down here. It's currently 30 degrees at the moment. Time is 25 past 5. Let's have a walk through. Why go abroad when you can enjoy it in Bournemouth? Looks like old fishing deck down there. I was speaking to Cohen, the Bournemouth Pier ambassador. He helps with the PR and marketing of the pier. He said, come down to the end, you're welcome to film inside, but there's too many families to film realistically without them being questioning me. Make a faster walk down the pier. Got lots to cover. Wouldn't you like to be in Bournemouth, eh? Good to see it so vibrant as well. Let's have a paddle in the sea, won't we? I'm going to come down here before September, film a lot more. Deserves more coverage. I'm always up in Blackpool, so give you a bit of variation. Go on some buses somewhere. I would say originally go to Studland. Obviously we've got to be careful where you're going. Studland, can't put that on a video. So it's check how warm the sea is. It's a nice little walk around the pier actually. Plenty of families enjoying themselves. There's so many families struggling in the UK. It's almost as cheap to come down to places like Bournemouth, especially along the coast. You've got the Jurassic Coast. It's famous for its World Heritage. You've got the Durdle Door, Harry's Rocks, further on towards Studland. That's another really nice walk. There with the sun beating down. Nice to be in a coastal town. Not going to target individual families, but you get the idea as we walk on onto the beach in a minute. So there you go, you got the Bournemouth Pier, end of the pier. And the beach still busy. Just go down there now. Cycling is encouraged, but not in between these times, between 10 AM and 6 PM. Also includes no skating or skateboarding. So if you want to use your bike, come with outside these hours, just protect the public. So straight in front of you, you've got the aquarium. Looks a nice building. Oceanarium. Oh, can't even pronounce it. I don't even no drinks as well. So yeah, this is the entrance to the pier. So nearest hotel to here is Park Hotel. So as I mentioned on the video, it's 10-minute walk, less than that. But it's a 4-star hotel.
That guy looks like the government. Left his phone and everything, his wallet in the pocket.
It's a lovely sandy beach in Bournemouth. Normal seaside place, but it's got the smell of weed as normal. I reckon they should get the police dogs out and prosecute everyone who's got drugs on a beach, especially a family beach, but that's a different story. So you get close to the sand without getting sand in the camera. So that'll be disastrous if I get on the lens. Waterproof camera, if I get water on it, it'll be okay, but not sand, it will scratch the lens. Then it'll be no good, will it? Just facing the sun, so I'll just go back up towards the sun without doing that. we've got to go to the sea without before I go back, can I? So. Yeah, don't you like the sound of the waves? I could stay here all day. It's hard coming on the beach and not capturing the trout, and they keep on running by. Try and just capture the wave. So the Coast Guard's finished at 6 o'clock. They've warned of rip tides. Apparently it goes right up to the top there. So they'll all be covered a bit later on, over 4 hours. It is quite dangerous here. Obviously, you can see it coming in fast now. So the Coast Guard's finished at 6 o'clock. They've warned of rip tides. Apparently it goes right up to the top there. So they'll all be covered a bit later on, over 4 hours. It is quite dangerous here. Obviously, you can see it coming in fast now. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. It's a positive one. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. It's a positive one. I think the beach is busier this time because you got the solar eclipse happening, so I think everyone's hoping to go on this beach. Plenty of places to eat as we look up to the blue sky. Bournemouth is one of my favourite places, as well as Weymouth. Bournemouth I do like with the continuous walks. You've got the Palm Beach Club, which is really, really nice. Obviously I'm not stopping now, I'd love to. I haven't got time now, but maybe on another video I'll do that, yeah. It's a Palm Beach Club. Lovely. Yeah, I'd just like to say a big thank you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.